point related to the do while. Here have a look once. Sir, here I'm taking do, sir, just while, do while, SOP of, okay, inside do, SOP of hello is there. Next and after that, true I'm taking, true I'm trying to take. Next, here, here just I'm trying to take, sir, hi, okay, like I'm taking hi. This is one statement what we have, okay. So this is my coding snippet 1, okay. Like now I'm taking coding snippet 2, coding snippet 2, okay. Do, sir, here intentionally I'm taking false SOP of hi, like I'm trying to take. Next, coding snippet 3, okay. Like just observe here, int a is equal to 10, and b is equal to 20, I'm taking, okay. Hello, sir, and then hi, but here a lesser than b I'm taking, sir. So now the next coding snippet, okay. Here see this one, sir. Here just my next coding snippet, okay. Like now a greater than b I'm taking. Next coding snippet, here just observe final int, okay. Like now coding snippet 6, okay. Last one, coding snippet 6, like this I'm taking. Coding snippet 6, sir, here a greater than b, okay. SOP of hi. Yeah, beautiful, sir. Just take very special care about this terminology, okay. Like, sir, can you please confirm what is the output we will get? I mean, which are valid coding snippets, which are invalid coding snippets? Anyone, can you please confirm which are valid coding snippets and which are invalid coding snippets? Yes, friends, can you please confirm what about first one? What about the first one, sir? First one, is it valid or not? You have to decide. Okay, is it valid or not? You have to tell, sir. Please confirm. Is it valid or invalid? Yes, first one. Respond. It is invalid. Invalid. Okay. What the reason for that is SOP of hi will become unreachable statement. Okay. It is sir, compile time error. Compile time error we are going to get. What the reason for that? Yes, sir, this statement will become unreachable statement. Remember this. Sir, just have a look once. Because while of true, it will execute keep on. It will execute keep on. Then, sir, what will happen here is, sir, have a look once. Okay, just I'm trying to take like here. Just observe carefully, right? So now this SOP of hi will become sir. Just just my commands, immediately my hand is going for to clear the screen. Control L. I'm trying to type Control L, okay, because Control L is the shortcut command in the Linux, okay. Just overlapping the things, okay. Now my requirement is just java c test.java. Sir, the code won't compile because immediately compile method we are going to get. Sir, which statement is the unreachable statement? SOP of hi will become unreachable. Sir, are you in the position to understand? Not required to keep much explanation about this one because already we covered very clear difference. Okay, well. Now, can you please tell, sir, is it valid or invalid? Please respond. Sir, take a bit very special care. Good. Nagateja. So, can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? You respond, is it valid or invalid? So can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? Okay, take very special care about this one. 100% pakka, this is 100% pakka, this is good. Each and every person, can you please tell? Every person, can you please confirm? I'm eagerly waiting for your answer. What the answer we are going to get? Is it valid or invalid? Yes, perfectly. This one is valid. Okay, sir, perfectly. This one is valid. What is the reason for that? What the reason for that is, Sir, here very simple. Here false. Loop body. Now, sir, most of the people are going to feel because of previous knowledge. Okay, whatever knowledge, whatever the things we covered just in while, just because of that, most of the people are going to feel yes, it is invalid. No, it is valid because in the case of do while, loop body will be executed at least once. Okay, loop body will be executed at least once, that's why. So it will become, that's why it will become valid. Okay, so already loop body executed. Now the condition is the false means it won't execute again. So that's why hello followed by hi itself is the answer we are going to get, sir. Perfectly, this one is the valid. If you want, you can cross check, sir. Just I'm trying to take false. Now the output what we are going to get, hello followed by hi. Perfectly, this one is the valid, sir. Okay, Java test I'm taking. What the answer we are going to get is hello followed by hi itself is the answer we are getting. So I hope everyone in the position to understand, right? Yes. What is the reason why this one is the valid? But in the case of while loop, if I can take false, definitely it is invalid. But in the case of do while, so we won't get any error because this loop body will be executed at least once. Remember this one, sir. Okay, next here I'm taking int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, like this I'm trying to take, sir. Int a is equal to 10, b. Can you please confirm, is it valid or invalid? Okay, respond. Is this one is the valid or invalid? 100% pakka. This one is valid. What is the reason for that? You can decide. Okay, sir. Here it is the normal variable a and b. Is it true or false? My compiler don't know. Regarding it, the normal variable a and b. Is it true or false? We don't know that. That's why we don't know. It is whether it is the true or false, we don't know. That's why. So what will happen in this case is, do you know, if it is the true, so if compiler don't know whether it is the true or false, simply it's going to execute at runtime. What the JVM never going to check reachable or unreachable. Boss, first hello will be printed. Is it true or false? Yes, it is the true. Again hello will be printed. Is it true or false? True. Again hello will be printed, something like, okay. Now, sir, hello will be printed infinite number of times, sir. Remember this one. Hello will be printed infinite number of times. Perfectly itself is valid. We are not seeing any compile time error at all. Remember this one, sir. Okay. So we are just we are not seeing any error. Perfectly, hello will be printed infinite number of times in this case. Okay. Hello, like infinite number of times it's keep on going to print. Okay. Now, what is the sir, coding snippet 4? Can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Coding snippet 4, perfectly it is valid. What the answer we are going to get? Please confirm. What the answer we are going to get? Hi. Because sorry. What is the answer we are going to get? Hello followed by hi. Okay. Do you want me to execute this code? Not required, because the loop body will be executed at least once, and then it is the false. If it is the false, loop body won't execute again. Simply hi is the answer we are going to get. Okay, I'm not executing this one. Now observe this. Because it is the final variable, compiler knows that it is always true. Because final variables comparison will be happened at compile time only. That's why compiler knows that it is always true. Sir, if it is true always, then automatically, so this statement never be reachable statement. So what is the answer we are going to get in this case is, just observe the final a less than b, immediately error we are going to get unreachable statement. Remember this one. What the unreachable statement, like sir, this is the error by default we are going to get. Sir, friends, any doubt about this one? Can you please confirm? Yes, already we discussed it, sir. So compile time error by default we are going to get in this case, sir. Here compile time error, what that is, system data hello unreachable statement. Now the last one, anyone can you please guide? Last one, it is the false. If it is the false, no problem, loop body will be executed once. Okay, loop body will be executed once, and then the next one hi will be printed, sir. So hello followed by hi in this case. Please confirm. Any doubt? Yes, correct, Bhaskar. Compiler is very strict when compared with the JVM because syntax checking, all the things should take care by compiler. Okay, JVM just is the responsible to execute, that's all. Okay, JVM is not that much strict. JVM won't do any checking kind of thing. JVM simply execute, but all the checkings, all the things are going to be taken care by. Okay, so this compiler only. That's why compiler job is more when compared with the JVM. Can you please confirm? All the things are clear, right? Okay, that's all. So this is what you people should aware about. Okay, just so in which cases, sir, compile time error we will get. Can you please confirm? We will get compile time error. We will get compile time error. Compile time error. In which cases, right? Please confirm. Coding snippet 1. One. Yes, we will get compile time error. 2, we won't get any error. 3, 4, we won't get any error. Next 5 we will get. So here we will get compile time error 1 and 5 only. Remember, like 1 and 5. That's all. Okay. So this is about what is the do while. Okay, remember what kind of loopholes are there. So like you should be in the position. You should be in the position to answer these things, right? Okay. Next, sir, the next cinema what I have to take, sir. Here just take very special care, very special care about this one. Now the next thing what I have to talk about, for loop, sir. For loop very important. For loop and for each loop are very important for the exam sake, so take very special care about this one, for loop, sir. Now sorry, now here observe carefully. I have to take for loop, sir. Now in the for loop, do you know, in the total loops, out of 4 loops, the most commonly used loop is the for loop only. Yes, Ishwar, Ishwar, in do while of true, if a break is there, then it will become valid. Don't worry. If a break is there, then it will become valid. But we didn't discuss about break. That's why I'm not talking. Next, do you know, even unreachable statements are there. Assume this is the unreachable statement. Observe carefully. Assume that this is the unreachable statement. Okay, like so maybe a chance, maybe a chance to ask like this type of things also. Okay, now take very special care about this one, sir. So just I'm taking, this is line 1 I'm taking. Sorry, this is a line 1 I'm taking. This is a line 2 I'm taking. This is line 3 I'm taking. The power, the subject confidence, what you have. Okay, now you people can answer this question. Okay, not that much easy. Take a bit very special care. Of course, for loop I will discuss just within a minute. Let me frame one more important question, sir. What that is? Okay, consider the following code. Now have a look once. Wonderful bit. Okay, now the power. So how much confidence you have in the subject, this one is going to test. Okay, now so first, is this code is going to compile? Anyone, can you please confirm? Is this code is going to compile? Yes or no? Is this code will compile? No. You know unreachable statement. So which of the following modifications, which of the following modifications required independently to compile this code, which of the following modifications required independently to compile this code, to compile test the class, I'm taking, sir. Okay, to compile test class. Which modification? Modification 1. Okay, modification 1 I'm taking, sir. So what I have to take is, here just observe, at line 1 remove final keyword, final keyword at line 1. Okay, remove final keyword at line 1. Remember this one. So if I remove final keyword at line 1, definitely the code is going to compile. Okay, sir, correct. We covered already this point. Next, the second one, sir, use place or use or otherwise place a break statement, place break statement, but use break statement at line 2. Use break statement, at line 2. So now this is the second modification. Now here have you observed, instead of at line 2, if I use break statement, then this loop is not going to execute infinite number of times. Remember this one, because break is there. So within the loop, if anywhere break statement is there, then immediately the control will come out. Remember this one. That's why even this also, okay, will make the code compile. Of course, I will show, sir. Now the third one, remove line 3. Remove line 3. Okay, so now the fourth one, none of these. Can you please guide what is the answer about this one, sir? Can you please confirm? So which of the following modifications are required independently to compile test class? Okay, so if you perform A, or if you perform B, or if you perform C, any modification you can do, happily this code is going to compile. Now observe, let me remove the first final. Okay, now the code will compile or not? Perfectly the code is going to compile. Forget about output. Is the code is going to compile or not? Yes. Okay, next, anyway final is there. Now at the line 2, let me take a break statement. At a line 2, let me take a break statement. Yes, now the code is going to compile. Because the reason is break, you are telling that it's not going to execute infinite number of times. Okay, so this is also valid. Okay, break, it is also valid. Now, so if I compile this code as it is, it won't compile. It won't compile because of unreachable statement. It won't compile. Now, remove line 3. If I remove line 3, then unreachable statement is not there in our program. That's why happily the code is going to compile. Yeah, excellent bit. Are you in the position to understand, right? Yes, friends, the confidence in the subject. So definitely, yeah, how much confident you are, definitely this bit is going to talk to that level. Okay, why this code is not going to compile? What is the unreachability problem? What final keyword is doing? What break statement is doing? All the things you people should require to get. So which one is the correct answer? Any of these modifications you can perform, happily the code is going to compile. Clear? Can I go for next one? Friends, can I go for next one? Okay. So now, what is the next cinema? What is the next cinema I'm taking, sir? So this is a bit very important terminology, right? What is the next one? So next terminology is, listen carefully. Listen a bit very carefully about this one. Now the next important point. The next important conclusion is, listen carefully, sir. So directly we can go for loop. Of course, sir, this knowledge is more enough about while loop. Okay, and do while loops, right? Let me go for loop. Do you know for loop? The most commonly used loop in Java. The most commonly used loop in Java is the for loop, sir. Next, when we should go for loop? Have you remember, right? If we know number of iterations in advance, I know number of iterations in advance, then for loop is the best choice for you. Remember, right? For loop is the best choice. If we know number of iterations in advance, then for loop itself is the best choice, right? So now my question is, listen carefully. what's my important point is, sir, what is the syntax for loop? Now have a look once. Sir, I'm trying to take. Sir, now I'm trying to take here. Sir, what is the syntax for loop? For what is the first one? Initialization section. First one, initialization section. Assume that. Now conditional check. Okay, conditional check. Conditional check. Okay, second one, conditional check. Next, increment or decrement section. Increment or decrement section. Increment or decrement section. Okay, like now here just observe that this is the body of the for loop. This is the body of the for loop. So now take very special care about this one. In this, so in the for loop, do you know? So initialization section, first initialization section will be executed, and then conditional check will be executed. If the conditional check is the true, so then body will be executed. After executing body, increment or decrement section will be executed. Increment or decrement section will be executed. Next, after that, again conditional check is going to be happen. So if it is the true, again body is going to execute. Next, increment or decrement is going to be performed. Next, do you know conditional check? Okay, like next body, something like this. Have you observed, right? Yes. Here, like this is going to be executed. But inside loop, within the for loop, initialization section will be executed. How many times, sir? Only once. Remember this one. But conditional check, increment and decrement section, body can be executed for every iteration. Okay, these are things are going to be executed for every iteration. But initialization section will be executed. How many times, right? Only once. Remember this one, sir. Correct? Yes, friends. Okay, now conditional check. So if the conditional check returns false, then only the loop is going to be, the loop is going to be stopped, sir. Okay, so any explanation is required? Please confirm. Okay, just here consider for loop, the for loop syntax. Consider for loop syntax like. Sir, now my question is. Okay, that's all. Initialization section, increment or decrement section, like that. This is the for loop syntax, right? Now, sir, here just first the initialization section will be executed. So for it will be executed for every iteration. Okay, like initialization section will be executed. Initialization section will be executed only once. Initialization section will be executed only once. Okay, like next and after that, do you know, sir, just the remaining conditional check, increment and decrement section and the body will be executed. Conditional check. Next increment and decrement section. Next body, increment and decrement section. Next body will be executed for every iteration. Like that. Next and after that, fourth one. Next here the same. Just I'm trying to take. Okay, conditional check. Okay, like the same thing I'm trying to take here. Just observe that. So conditional check will be performed. Conditional check will be performed for every iteration. Conditional check will be performed for every iteration. Remember, 1 minute. Can you please observe how the things just very simple. Conditional check will be performed for every iteration. Next, increment and decrement section will be executed for every iteration. Next, sir, body will be executed for every iteration. Okay, like that. So among these, which things are which of the following are invalid, or which of the following are valid? So which of the following statements are valid. Which of the following statements are valid? Okay, like can you please tell which of the following statements are valid? Initialization section will be executed for every iteration. Initialization section will be executed only once. Okay, B, comma C, comma D, comma E, like this, right? Okay, can I use the word B, C, D, E are valid? Yeah. So some invalid combinations also, if you want, you can take, sir. Saying body will be executed only once, increment and decrement section will be executed only once, something like a we can just that's all. This is just only related to the syntax. You people should aware, sir. So now the next thing what I'm trying to take, the first part here, observe carefully. Initialization section I have to talk. Okay, very important, sir. How many times initialization section will be executed? Can you please confirm? Please respond. Vishnu, increment and decrement section will be executed, won't be executed for the first iteration. Correct. But general one for every iteration we can. After executing first iteration, then increment and decrement section is going to be happen like no issue. We can. Can you please tell how many times this initialization section will be executed? Please confirm. 1 minute, sir. There is increment and decrement section will be executed for every iteration. Increment and decrement section will be executed for every iteration. For the first iteration, increment and decrement section won't be executed, right? Won't be executed. That's why safe side. Let me remove unnecessary ambiguity. Why we have to create. Yeah, that's all. Okay, Vishnu, good. Now, my next point, listen very carefully about this one, sir. Increment and decrement section. Okay, sorry, initialization section. Initialization section, if you consider, how many times will be executed, sir? Okay, only once. Just now we covered already. It will be executed only once, sir. Sir, usually within the for loop, inside for loop, in the initialization section, what we are always going to take int I is equal to 0, int I is equal to 0, like int I is equal to 0, I is less than 10, next I plus something is there. Now observe carefully, right? So in the initialization section, usually we can declare and initialize. Usually we can declare and initialize and initialize. Do you know, sir? Yeah, local variables are the for loop. Remember this one. Here, so it will be executed. So just we have to perform local variables initialization. Local variables of the for loop we have to declare and initialize. This is the thing what we are taking, sir. So most of the time, sir. Now my requirement is take very special case, sir. So here I want to declare multiple variables. I want to declare multiple variables, right? So how I can declare multiple variables, sir? Here just observe. Just I'm taking int I is equal to 0. Okay, like r int I is equal to 0, comma j is equal to 0. I can take. Are getting int I is equal to 0, r int j is equal to 0. I can take. Now my question is, now take very special case, sir. One is int variable. The second one is boolean. I mean string variable. I want to take, sir. Int I is equal to 0, sir, comma string s is equal to Durga. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Please confirm in the initialization section. So is it can I take like this? Can I take like this? In the initialization section, any data type is allowed. But what about this one? Is it allowed or not allowed? Is it allowed or not allowed? Okay, take very special care about this one. So this is one Java statement. In the middle, semicolon must be required. Okay, but if I can take semicolon, now initialization section completed, conditional check is going to start, like it is going to, it is considered, compiler is going to consider. So the important conclusion here is I want to declare multiple data type variables in the initialization section. Can you please tell which thing is allowed in the initialization section? Is it possible to declare like this or not? Int is equal to 0, comma int j is equal to 0, like this I'm taking, sir. Among these, which are allowed in the initialization section? Can you please confirm? Among these, which are allowed in the initialization section? Remember this one. So first one is perfectly allowed, second one is allowed, but the third one, immediately error you are going to get. Immediately error you are going to get, sir. What the reason is? Array, this is one Java statement. This is the second Java statement. In the middle, semicolon must be required. So semicolon must be required. But if I can take semicolon, now this one will become conditional expression, but it's not. So that's why. So only one and two things are allowed, but the remaining two things are invalid, sir. Invalid because compulsory. Here compulsory you require to take semicolon, but if you are taking semicolon, now this one will become conditional expression. So in the initialization section, okay, which things are allowed, okay, like you people should aware, okay, like now observe carefully. Now I'm taking for loop. Now int I is equal to 0, int I is equal to 0. That's all. Just I'm not taking remaining things, no problem at all. Of course I will discuss remaining things are optional, including, of course, first one is also optional, sir. Int I is equal to 0. Is it valid or not? Please confirm. Respond. Please confirm. Is it valid or not? Yes, perfectly. It is valid. No problem at all, sir. Valid. It is a valid syntax only. Valid. Okay. Now int I is equal to 0, comma j is equal to 0. I'm taking. Is it valid or not? Yes, because I and j both are int type. That's fine. No problem at all. Perfectly itself is valid. Okay, like now valid. So now I'm taking int I is equal to 0. Next the string s is equal to Durga, like this I'm taking, sir. So immediately error we are going to get. Array, it is one Java statement. It is another Java statement. In the middle semicolon must be required, like sir, do you know here? Immediately error we are going to get. Observe that error. Are you seeing right? What is the problem? Semicolon expected, something like illegal startup expression, like so this is like it's not allowed. Next, even int I is equal to 0, int j is equal to 0, like this I'm taking, sir. So can you please tell, is it valid or not? This one is invalid. Immediately error we are going to get, sir. That's all. Are you everyone in the position to understand? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one? Everyone in the position to understand, right? So here please take a very special care. If we are taking semicolon, now the new problem is going to come. What is the problem here? After initialization section, semicolon, initialization section completed. Now the next thing is considered the Boolean expression, but it's not Boolean expression. It is a conditional check is the responsible, but it's not conditional check. That's why not possible. Even by adding semicolon also, it is invalid. Are you getting right? Yes. Observe very carefully. That's why in initialization section, it is not possible to declare multiple variables of different data types. Okay, multiple variables are different data types are not allowed. Okay, maybe a chance to ask this type of question also. Okay, like just in the initialization section. Okay, in the initialization section, which of the variable declarations are allowed? Which of the variable declarations are allowed? Which of the variable declarations are allowed? Like I'm taking, sir. So just these are the four options what we have. Only A and B. Remaining things are invalid. Remember that, sir. Only A and B. Just Sir, why the remaining things are invalid? You know the reason clearly, right? Any explanation is required? Can you please confirm? Please respond. Any explanation is required? Okay, that's all. So in initialization section, okay, it is not possible in initialization section. Okay, in initialization section, it is not possible. Okay, it's not possible to declare. It is not possible to declare multiple variables are different data types. Data types like multiple variables of different data types. It's not possible, sir. Sir, in case of nested for loop, initialization takes place multiple times for inner for loop. Yes, correct, sir. If it is the normal, if it is the inner for loop, for every outside for loop iteration, it is going to be happen, correct? But here we are talking, consider the following syntax. I'm not taking nested loop. In the previous example also, nested loop I'm not taking. Yeah, completed, right? Vinay, there is a new problem will come in the picture. Sir, Vinay is asking, just observe this carefully. Int I is equal to 0, int I is equal to 0, semicolon, boolean b is equal to true is taken. Can you please tell what the new problem will come? New problem will come. So it is, do you know, it is initialization section. Now, if it is going to consider conditional expression, but here two semicolons are there. Now, what will happen? Have a look once. Have you observed? What is the problem here is? What is the problem? What is the problem here is? Here, another 1 minute. Let me remove one semicolon. Yes, still the problem, because here declaration statements are not allowed. The result should be Boolean type. Remember this one. Here declaration statements are not allowed. The result should be Boolean type. Who is asking? Vinay. Getting right? So just you declare declaration statement is not allowed. We have to take any expression, but at last it should return Boolean type. The final value will become Boolean type. Sorry, here only I want to declare. Sorry, not possible. Okay. Now the next thing, what I'm trying to take. Who is asking this one? Vimal. Static int I is equal to 0. Compiler will give left and right. Static variables we can't declare inside main method. Static variables should be declared within the class directly. Vimal. Static variables we can't declare. We can't declare directly. I mean, within the class we have to declare, not inside main method or not inside anywhere. Okay. Now the next thing. Now a bit very interesting thing I want to take. Now take very special care about this one, sir. Sir, here what is my point is, for here I'm taking system.out.print hi. I'm taking, sir, system.out.print hi semicolon. Next, here int I is equal to 0. I'm taking I is less than 3 I plus system.out.print. Okay, system.out.print sir, hi I'm trying to take. Okay, like, sir, here I'm trying to take hello followed by hi. Can you please guide what is the answer we are going to get in this case? What is the answer we are going to get? Bhaskar, correct. Your declaration is valid. What is the answer we are going to get in this case? Please confirm. So safe side, my answer is first option, compile time error. Safe side, my answer is first answer, compile time error. Okay, so first option, compilation fails. Okay, second option, what I'm trying to get, hello. Here can you please just observe my next option is hello hi will be printed. Hello hi will be printed. Hello hi like it's going to print. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. So what is the answer we are going to get in this case? Please confirm. Good, excellent. Okay, so please make sure, sir, in the initialization section, we can take any valid Java statement, including SOP statement also, no problem at all. Okay, remember this one. In the initialization section, okay, in the initialization section, we can take any valid Java statement, including any valid Java statement, including SOP statement, okay, like so that's why there is no problem at all. Don't feel it's always going to be sir int is equal to 0. SOP statement, what is the problem with that? So first hello will be printed. Next 0 less than 3 satisfied, high will be printed. Now I value will become 1 is less than 3 satisfied, again high will be printed. Now I value 2 is less than 3 satisfied, sir, again high will be printed. Remember this one. So what is the answer we are going to get? Hello, hi, like 3 times we are going to get. Okay, like so which one is the correct answer, friends? Now have a look once. We are not going to get any compile time error. Perfectly itself is valid. Sorry, what the answer we are going to get is Java test. I'm taking Java test. What the answer? Hello, hi, like any doubt? Please confirm. All the things are very clear for you people, right? So we can take any statement, we can take any number of times, no issue at all. So what the answer we are going to get? Sir, here D, any valid Java statement, any valid statement we can take, no issue at all. Can I go for next one? So is it clear, right? Okay, now my next thing is, okay, when conditional section, conditional section, sir. So in the conditional checkup, here conditional checkup, conditional check, okay, here we can take any valid expression. Here we can take any valid expression, but should be Boolean type. Remember this one, sir. Okay, here we can take any valid expression, but compulsory should be Boolean type. Okay, compulsory should be Boolean type. Next, compulsory should be Boolean type, sir. Next, this part conditional check is mandatory or optional? It is optional. Sir, compulsory. It should be Boolean type. Here, we can take any expression. We can take any expression, but should be Boolean type. Remember this one. So it is optional. Sir. Optional. Next, if we are not writing this expression, then compiler will provide. Remember this one, sir. Compiler will provide true value. Okay, compiler will place true value. Remember this one, very important, sir. Compiler will place true value. Okay, like so maybe this is a bit. So it is optional. If we are not writing this expression, then the compiler will place, okay, true value. Okay, like so now just I'm trying to take it is optional. If we are not writing anything, then the compiler will place false value. Okay, next it is mandatory. Like sir, just I'm trying to keep all 4 options right. Okay, here can you please tell which one is the correct option? Yes, already I told, sir. Sir, first 2 things perfectly it is valid. Please take a very special case, sir. So we can take any expression, but should be Boolean type. Should be of Boolean type. Next, should be of Boolean type. It is optional. If we are not writing, this expression, or if we are not writing anything, any expression, then compiler will place. will place a true value. If we are not writing any expression, then the compiler will place a false value like that. So which one is the correct answer? Can you please confirm? Respond. Which one is the correct answer? A comma B. Remember this. It's not mandatory. Next time after that, compiler want to place false. So obviously A and B itself is the answer, sir. So very important terminology. Please take a bit very special care. Okay. About the conditional check. About consider the following syntax. So which of the following is true? About conditional check. Which of the following is true about the conditional check? About conditional check. Okay, like that. So this is very important. I mean, just this theoretical idea also must be required. Any doubt? Please confirm. Respond. Any doubt? Is it mandatory or is it optional? Please confirm. Is it mandatory or is it optional? Sir, this one is optional. If you are not taking anything, then compiler is always going to place a true. Where is the proof for that, sir? Sir, just observe this one. I'm trying to take. Just observe. Sir, here do you know what is the answer we are going to get? If I can take like this, just observe. Int is equal to 0. I'm taking. Int is equal to 0. 0 I'm trying to take. Next, system.out print r. Sir, here just I'm trying to print I value. Can you please confirm what the answer we are going to get? Please, sir, observe that. Can you confirm what the answer we are going to get? Yeah, it will. The program will enter into infinite loop. I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It's keep on going to print. So it will keep on going to print. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, like a infinite number of times it's going to print, sir. Okay. Now here, if you want, you can have some options, right? Sir, observe that the code perfectly valid. What is the output we are going to get here is, sir, observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Keep on going to execute, sir. Sir, this is so it never going to stop. Remember, right? Yes, Control C. I'm trying to take. Okay, here just observe carefully, right? Any doubt? All the people are in the position to understand. Okay. Yeah. Swarup, you can ask. What is the problem? What is the problem here is, I hope you are in the position to understand. Sir, here this is what is the result? What is the result? Like, sir, here first option. Compilation fails. Okay. Second option I'm taking. It will print. It will print 1, 2. Sorry. It will print 1, 2, 3, 4 dot infinite times. See, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3 dot 0, 1, 2, 3. Sir, infinite times. Okay. Infinite times. Okay, like so. Of course, correct, Ishwar. The values are always within the inter range only. Yes, correct. The values are always within the inter range. If it is inter range crossed, again inter range is going to start. Yes, remember. So it will print 0, 1, 2, 3 infinite times. Okay, compilation fails, it will print. So an exception is thrown at the runtime. Okay, like an exception is thrown at the runtime. Like I'm taking. Can you please confirm what output which of the following is the correct answer, sir? Yes. Can you please confirm, friend? What the answer we are going to get? A, B, C is the answer, because it will start from 0 infinite times, right? Now I have one small doubt. Okay. Now I have one small doubt. Okay. Here my requirement is byte B is equal to 0. Byte B is equal to 0. Next B plus I'm taking. Next B, sir. Yeah. Same example. Now you people can see, sir. What the output we are going to get? What the output we are going to get? Sir, is there any chance to get out of memory error in this case? No, Vishnu. No. We never going to get out of memory error, because every iteration the variables will be, the old value will be gone. What output we are going to get in this case? Okay, remember this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. After 127, okay, up to 127. After printing 127, then we will get the compile time error. Then we will get compile time error. Okay, like that. So what the answer we are going to get? Yes, friends, a beautiful example. Now most of the people are going to feel it will print you know 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It will print. Sir, here just let me copy. Anyone, can you please observe carefully? Most of the people are going to feel it is compilation fails, or otherwise it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 127, until 127. That's all. It will print. It will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Dot 127. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 127, like next it will print 0, 1, 2, 3 infinite times. An exception is throw at the runtime. Can you please confirm which one is the correct answer in this case? Yes, friends. Okay, infinite, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinite times, but all values within the byte range only. Okay, like so now just can I expect D itself is the answer? Please confirm, because after 127, whenever we are incrementing 128, what will happen is internal typecasting will be performed, friends. Okay, B++ means B is equal to byte of B+1. Remember this one. So will be in B value will be in byte range only, sir. Remember this one. So B value will be in the byte range only. Remember, right? Okay. Yes. Any doubt? Are you getting? So what the answer we are going to get, sir? If you want, you can cross check. If you want, you can cross check. What the output we are going to get? Just a beautiful example, sir. Most of the people are going to feel after 127 it will be stopped. No. Can you please have a look once? Can you please observe that? What is the result? If you can just if you can take this, what is the result we are going to get? Just have a look once, sir. Just a matter of you can analyze what that result we are going to get. Can you please observe carefully? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 127 we took. Next again it will start from minus 128, minus 127, minus 127, minus 543 and so on, again plus 127. Again it's keep on rounding between minus 128 to 127 only, though because internal typecasting is performed just because of this line. Remember this one, sir. Increment and decrement, the result is always byte type only in this case, because B is what type, sir? Byte variable. Any doubt? Please confirm. Okay, that's all. So now what is the next thing I have to take? That's all. These are important points about conditional expression. Okay, like if we can take B is equal to B plus 1, we will get compile time error. Correct. Here B is equal to B plus 1. If you can take, the code won't compile. The code won't compile, because B plus 1 is always what type? Int type. If I can take B is equal to B plus 1, I'm taking, sir. Sir, this is instead of B is equal to B plus 1. Can you please tell if the code is going to compile? Please respond. If the code is going to compile, It won't compile. It won't compile. What is the reason here? B plus 1 is always what type? Respond. B plus 1 is always what type? Intertype. Intertype. Have you remembered? In the operators already I covered that. B plus 1 is always, B is equal to B plus 1 if I can take. It is always compilation fails because B plus 1 is the intertype. How you can assign to the byte variable? Have a look once. What will happen? The code won't compile. Immediately compile a method we are getting. What is that error? Incompatible types. Incompatible types. Okay, possible lossy conversion. Something like we are going to get. Okay, have a look once. Have you observed possible lossy conversion from into to possible lossy conversion from? Okay, yeah, just observe that. This is the compatible error we are going to get. Take very special care about this one. Any doubt? Clear, right? Next, last part what I have to discuss. Take very special care about this. So now the first one, initialization section. Second one, conditional expression. Third one, okay, is increment and decrement section. But here I want to talk some important point. Increment and decrement section. Increment and decrement section. Here we can take any valid Java statement, including SOP statement. Remember this one, sir. Here we can take any valid Java statement. Yeah, in increment and decrement section, we can take any valid Java statement, including SOP statement. Increment and decrement section, we can take any valid Java statement. Any valid Java statement, including SOP statement. Remember this one, sir. Sir, now I'm taking, most of the people are always going to feel you have to take I++ or I minus, these kind of things. No, you can take any valid Java statement, no problem at all, sir. Okay, well, what I'm trying to take is, listen carefully. Most of the people are going to feel, sir, this is invalid, something like no such type of terminology. Here, see this one. See this one. Sir, can we take any valid while statement here? What's the meaning? Yes. While also you can take. You can take just any valid Java statement, including while. SOP is allowed, means while is also allowed. Okay. Here that while is going to execute as a part of for loop. Okay. Now system.out.println. Okay. Don't get confused. Hello, I'm taking. Hello, I'm trying to take. Next, here I'm taking int I is equal to 0. Next, I is less than 3. I'm taking I is less than 3. Next, system.out.println hi, system.out.print hi. I'm trying to take, sir. I'm trying to take. Next, I++. Have you observed? Almost roles are interchanged here. Roles are interchanged. Okay, actually here int I is equal to 0 you have to take. Here you have to take I++, but anyway, I interchanged the roles. If I consider this one, can you please tell what the answer we are going to get, sir? Beautiful example. Please confirm. Is it valid or invalid? Good. Is it valid or invalid? Valid. So the first hello will be printed. 0 is less than 3. 0 is less than 3. Satisfied. Body will execute I++. I value will become 1. And then increment or decrement section will execute. Hi will be printed. Now 1 is less than 3. Satisfied. Now I value will become 2. Next hi will be printed. Now 2 less than 3. Satisfied. I value will become 3. So 3. Now hi will be printed. 3 is less than 3. Stopped. So hello will be printed once, followed by hi itself is the answer. Okay. Now have a look once. What the output we are going to get? Yes, have you observed, right? Hello, hi, like this is the answer we are going to get. Any doubt? Friends, all the things are very clear for you people. Not required to keep much explanation about this. Can I? You respond. So is it valid or not? So most of the people, if I can show this type of code, array for Durga sir ke pagal ho gaya, okay, his mind gone. what code it is? Like some people are going to feel nothing, sir. perfectly syntactically these are valid, but these are good programming practice or not, forget about that, because that is not our job. So for the exam sake, all syntaxes we require to take care. Okay, remember a bit very carefully, right? So just what is the result we are going to get, sir? This one somewhere I took hello hi will be printed 3 times, like somewhere options already. Yeah. So what is the answer we are going to get, sir? Okay. Yeah, just observe that the same answer we will get in this case also. Okay. Now have a look once. Sir, answer D. Hello, hi, like in increment and decrement section, we can take any valid Java statement, including SOP statement also. No problem at all. Clear, right? Yes, friends. Any explanation is required about this one? Okay. Next, one more, sir. Sir, do you know in the for loop, all 3 parts are optional. Remember this one, sir. All 3 parts of the for loop are optional. Increment and decrement section. Next and after that, do you know increment and decrement section. Next, initialization section. Initialization section, like all 3 parts of for loop or conditional check. All 3 parts of for loop are optional. Remember, right? Okay. So that's why, do you know, even we can take this for loop, like sir, for just a semicolon, just a body. Can you please tell, is it valid syntax or not? Please confirm, is it valid syntax or not? Sir, in this case, how many times body will be executed, sir? Rakesh, in the conditional section, we can take method call which returns Boolean value, acceptable. How many times the body will be executed, sir? Infinite number of times, sir. Remember this one. So if I can take just is it valid syntax or not? Yes, is it valid syntax or not? Perfect. This is also valid syntax, friends. What is the reason for that is, of course, here body is also empty statement. Now this empty statement is going to execute multiple times. Now semicolon will become body. Now this one is going to execute infinite number of times. So all 3 parts of for loop are optional. If we are not specifying anything, then in this case body will be executed. Okay, like infinite number of times. Remember this one, sir. Maybe a chance to ask to ask. So the first coding snippet, just let me frame one small bit, sir. Okay, just you people may feel comfortable here. Just what I'm trying to take is, now, sir, I have coding snippet 1. Okay, forget about all this nonsense, sir. Here coding snippet 1 is there. Next and after that coding snippet 2. Okay, now coding snippet 2. Next, this is about my coding snippet 2, like now I'm taking, sir, here instead of body, let me take a system.out.print hello will be printed. Hello I'm taking, sir. Hello, like this I'm taking. Yeah. Can you please observe? Consider the coding snippets. So here just observe this, sir. Which of the following are true? Now you can frame some options. Which of the following are true? Which of the following are true? Are valid? Which of the following are valid? Like sir, first one, coding snippet 1 causes compile time error. Coding snippet 1 causes compile time error. Like we can keep causes compile time error. Like sir, coding snippet 2 causes compile time error. Okay. Next, here, do you know, sir, the third one. So coding snippet 1 is valid and print hello infinite number of times. Okay, remember this one. Coding snippet 1 prints hello infinite number of times. Prints hello infinite number of times. Number of times. Okay, like next, sir, coding snippet 2 sir, raises runtime exception. Raises runtime exception. Next, coding snippet 2 2, sir, coding snippet 2, compiles fine, compiles fine, coding snippet 2 compiles fine and runs fine, compiles fine and runs fine, compiles fine and runs fine, but won't produce any output. But won't produce any output. Won't produce any output like I'm trying to take. Can you please confirm what is the answer in this case? Please confirm what the answer in this case we are going to get. Can you please respond? So A, B, C. Okay, like D, E, like multiple options are there, sir. Please confirm what may be the answer. Yes, friends. Coding snippet 1 causes compile time error, no chance at all. Sir, C itself is one valid option. Next term after that, E, C, comma E. Correct? Please confirm. Ray, why you are silent? Is it correct about these two? Bhaskar, it is also valid. Okay, just theoretically, okay, like what kind of questions we are going to get. Okay, like you should aware, sir. Okay, now just I'm stopping here. Yeah, friends.